These are some OTG micro USB cables I got from China. Took a month to deliver. Order around September 4th, and October 4th it finally arrived. So they asked me to give some feedback. Peking Opera or something. Package comes like this. Pull this out. Receipt shows the two OTG cables. I'll be giving one of these as a gift to a friend, but I always wanted to see how difficult these things are to open. So you hook this up to your Android tablet or phone, and it outputs to a USB port. So it's what they call an OTG micro USB to female USB.